Yo, what's up guys? It's Pius here, the Crypto Pi, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin once again, guys, because we are not done yet with our correction, alright? Like I said yesterday in my video, the mini dip, well, it's still kind of like a mini dip after we already had a big dip, right? So if we get a dip further to like 8 to 9k, or perhaps even a little more bearish, like 7.5 to 8k, that is still mini in comparison to what we've already done. Okay, that's what I mean with mini. Some people say, ask me like, well, what do you mean with mini dip? So basically that's what I mean, because how much further down is that? That's another 20 to 30%. It's not that bad, okay, in the bigger picture of things. And we are still bullish. Then that would be a perfect 618 as well. But so just look forward to that, guys. Let's just go on the 1 day and put our Fibonacci on here, right? So the bottom was here, something like that. And so we first bounced with the 0.5. The 618 is around the 8k level. Now I do not think we will go to 786. If we get a wick there, people are very lucky to buy in. That would be absolutely weird. Okay, that would be craziness. So we still have some lines of defense here. You see my trend lines here. So we still have some lines of defense. However, I know more methods than just trend lines and Fibonacci. As you know, I know the Elliott wave as well. So today we're going to go over the Elliott wave. But before that, guys, we're just gonna have a look at the market itself and let's see who's doing what. All right. USD market is pretty much all red except for EOS and Stellar. Right? I own some Stellar, I don't own EOS, but VeChain is doing good as well. And then, well, I mean, I'm not even gonna look at those coins down there. So, and then we look at Bitcoin in comparison to Bitcoin. Who is winning? Litecoin is doing okay. EOS is doing good. Obviously, Stellar is doing good. Dash is doing good. Tron and Bitcoin Gold. Okay, from all these, I only have Stellar and Bitcoin Gold. So my portfolio is not doing so well, but most people's portfolio is not doing so well. You just have to, if you want to get the gains, guys, so the nice 200, 300, 400%, then you gotta stomach a 30% loss in your portfolio. Okay, next time you might see a 200% gain. Okay, so it's you go down a little bit and then you get up massively. That's how the crypto market works. If you cannot stomach these dips, then the crypto market is perhaps not for you. But anyways, let's take a look at what I see going on. So we just take an Elliott wave here, right? This is the longer wave. This is also a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then a 5 perhaps, right? Right around that 8k, or we could go just here. You see, we're testing the 10k here. Now this would be very bullish to see a 5th wave higher than the 3. I don't think so. I will put it at the moment. I'm just gonna be brutally honest here. Actually, we can do some extra technical analysis here. If we go on the 1 hour, what do we have here, guys? We have a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder. Alright, so what happens there is we have a neckline here. Then we have a neck from the head to the neck is this height. We drag this down on this line, we get to right around 9k. Okay, so let's put it there based on the head and shoulder theory that often is the case. So that red line there is basically gonna be my target. Okay, so we'll put it right down here. It's just under the number 3, which is fine for Elliott wave theory. So that is basically how I see the market right now, guys. And most coins follow Bitcoin, so all I need to do is just some analysis on Bitcoin in order to see the other markets. Okay, guys, I see some comments sometimes on Twitter, right, where people are hoping that Bitcoin's going bearish and they think they're also going bullish. Well, here's the funny thing, guys. If Bitcoin goes bearish, then the whole market will go bearish, okay? We need Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the number one. As long as it stays the number one, we're in trouble. Because you see, when Bitcoin's dumping, Ethereum is dumping as well. So number 2 is dumping as well. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Don't hope for a bear market, guys. It's not good. So, but I definitely had to adjust this a little bit. And I think around this area. So, let's make it an area, guys. Around this area, number 5, right? Right in here. It's a good buy zone. Now, if this breaks, guys, so this last line of defense, this trend line breaks, then look for the 618 here, right? And if we go a little bit lower, a little bit in there, it's you know, so either here or here. So 7.5 to 8K is another good buying area. So, you know, it's looking bearish still. I cannot be bullish about this. How can I be bullish about this? I just see the chart, right? I'm in it with you guys. You know, I didn't take all my profits. I mean, who would have thought this happened, right? I should have, alright? If I look back, I should have, because I know my technicals, and all I had to do was take my fib from the top to this bottom, and I see it would go back into the green zone. And if it drops out of that green zone, I should have taken my profit right here, right? But I didn't. So it's fine. You know, I'm cool with it. Just holding strong. Participating in a lot of ICOs, guys. ICOs are bullish. Even in this bearish market, I can tell you, some ICOs, just the next day, some were listed like the next day. So in this bearish market, the ICO still went 3-4x, okay? So if you want to 4x your money, look into ICOs, look into bullish ICOs. The way to find them is obviously on my channel. I review a few of them. And also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other about ICOs, about crypto trading, about technical analysis, etc. And also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I tell you guys about airdrops, so that's free money. All my videos are there, ICO reviews, and also whitelisting when you need to get whitelisted, you know, to be there as soon as possible, because ICOs are at the moment bullish, even in this bearish market, like I said. So you don't want to miss out on that. So, you know, guys, just join both these telegrams. The links will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.